are you going to compete when China graduates more engineers in a year than we have, not just in Canada, but in all of North America as a whole? How are we going to do this when you see the incredible technology capacities of India if we're not prepared to match those technology capacities and enter into partnership with them? Our education system, I met a number of people here tonight who were involved in it. Is the difference between a government which can succeed and a people that succeed and a country that succeeds and one that fails. And if we're going to underfund our education, how are we going to do it? And that's why what the Liberal candidates here have spoken for, that Michael Ignatieff has spoken for, that Ujjal has spoken for, is giving us an education system which is going to be second to none. An education system that says to every one of the young people here that we are going to give you the tools to succeed. And you can't talk about an economy if you're not going to talk about your young people. You can't talk about an economy unless you're going to give your young people the chance to match their dreams. And that also is what this election campaign is all about.